Meaning of grok.
grok,
Grok.
grok,
Grok. The term grok was coined by science fiction author Robert A. Heinlein in his book Stranger in a Strange Land. It means to understand something deeply and completely, to the point of becoming one with it. The word has since been adopted by the technology community to refer to understanding a complex system or programming language at an intuitive level. To grok something goes beyond just knowing about it, it requires a deep level of comprehension and familiarity. It's a useful skill for programmers and anyone working with complicated systems.